2 more days and it's already Christmas. I prepared something for you this season. Another one word to remind you is remind. And Tagalog word for remind is, this is Bicol word, pagirumdumon. Pagirumdumon, to remind. And the Tagalog word for this is paalalahanan. Paalalahanan. Another word is gift. And the Tagalog word for gift is, and Bicol also, is regalo. Another one is given. And the Tagalog word for given is nabigay. Okay? Nabigay is given. Give is bigay. If you're going to say it in Bicol, naitao. Naitao. Another word is love. And Tagalog word for love is pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. And the Bicol for the love is pagkamuot. Pagkamuot. Give love on Christmas. Another word is small. Small. And Tagalog word for small is maliit. Maliit. In Bicol, sadit. Small in Bicol, sadit. We have another word, always. And the Tagalog for always is palagi. Palagi. Then Bicol, pirmi. Pirmi in Bicol. Another one is grow. Grow. And in Tagalog, lumaki. Grow, lumaki. And in Bicol, tumubo. Tumubo. I still have here one word, another word for this season. This is the Tagalog version. Inspiration. Just have to get first the word. Inspiration. And the Tagalog word, or you can say it in Tagalog and in Bicol, inspiration. Or it's the other way around. Inspiration. And last word for the day is Merry Christmas. And in Tagalog, you're going to say it, Maligayang Pasko. And in Bicol, Maugmang Pasko. I just have to quote the message of Queen Elizabeth, and I just would like to share it to you. Christmas reminds us that inspiration is a gift to be given, as well as receive. A love begins small, but always grows. Have a wonderful Christmas. God bless. Bye.